Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 5.2 question number 6. In the given figures below, decide whether L is parallel to M. Number 1 is here you see that question number 1 is now question number 1. Here you can say we can see here that question number 1 it is given that this angle is 126 degree and this is 44 degree, and these angles are known as two angles on the same side of the transversal. This is the transversal, right? This is line L, this is line M, and this is the N is the transversal of the line, right? And we say that this angle and this angle are angles on the same side of the transversal. I will add this one, right? That is 126 degree, 126 degree plus 44 degree plus 44 degree. What you're getting, you see, if we add the two angles, 126 plus 44, 4 6 10 carry 1, it is 0, 4 to 6 on 7, 170 degree, that is 170 degree. $170. Since the sum of the interior angles, sum of the interior angles, so the interior angles on the same side, of the transversal, angles on the same side of the transversal same side of the transversal, since the sum of the interior angles on the same side of the transversal is not equal to 180 degree, this is not, let us rub this one, this is not, same side of the transversal is not equal to 180 degree, equal to 180 degree. Therefore we can say that L is not parallel to M, not parallel to M, right? Here you see 126 plus 44 equal 170 degree. Since the sum of the interior angles on the same side of the transversal is not equal to 180 degree, therefore you can say that L is not parallel to M. Now we'll solve question number 2. Question number 2, here you see, question number 2 is, now we solve question number 2. Question number 2, here you see, question number 2 is, question number 2. Question number 2 is, here you see, this angle is 75 degree, and therefore we can say that this angle will also be 75 degree because of vertically opposite angle. These angles are vertically opposite angles, right? Therefore we can say that this angle is also 75 degree, right? Because this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angles, and when we know that vertically opposite angles are equal, since this is 75 degree, this is 75 degree, now we'll add this angle, that is 75 degree, that is 75 degree, 75 degree plus 75 degree is equal to 150 degree, 50 degree, right? Now since the sum the sum of the interior angles, sum of the interior angles, sum of the interior sum of the interior angles, sum of the interior angles, interior angles on the same side of the transversal, on the same side, same on the same side of the transversal, same side of the transversal, since the sum of the interior angles on the same side of the transversal is not equal to 180 degree, therefore we can say that L is not parallel to M. L is not parallel to M. Not parallel to M. Right? That means this is not parallel and this is also not parallel. L is not parallel to M. Now to solve question number 3. Question number 3 is, here you see, question number 3 is, here you see this angle, that is this angle, right? Here you see these are intersecting lines, and we know that the vertically opposite angles are same. Here you see this is 57 degree, then we can say that this is also 57 degree. This angle is also 57 degree. This is also 57 degree. This is also 57 degree, right? Now see this angle is 57, this angle is also 57 degree. Now if we add this angle, that is 123 degree, 100, that is 123 degree plus 57 degree, 57 degree is equal to 123 plus 57, 7 3 10, carry 1, it is 0, 5 and 6 7 8, 180 degree, right? It is equal to 180 degree. Now since the sum of the angles, sum of the angles on the same side, of the transversal, same side of the transversal, same side of the transversal, same side of the transversal is, since the sum of the angles on the same side of the transversal is 180 degree, therefore you can say that L is parallel to M. L is parallel to M. To M. Right? That means this one is parallel. L is parallel to M. Again we are writing here 123. Here you see this is 57 degree and this is vertically opposite angle. Therefore this is 57. Therefore this angle will also be 57 degree. If we add the angles, right? There is 123 plus 57. It comes to 180 degree. Since the sum of the angles on the same side of the transversal is 180 degree, therefore you can say that L is parallel to M. Right? Now question number 4. What is question number 4? You see, question number 4 is see here, question number 4. Here you see that L and M are two line and N is the transversal, right? L and M, L and M, L and M are two lines, and N is the transversal. N is the transversal. N is the transversal. Now here you see that this angle, what is this? This angle is 72 degree, right? And these are intersecting lines. M and N are intersecting lines. Therefore vertically opposite angle is this angle, right? And you know that in intersecting line vertically opposite angles are same, right? Say this is 70 degree, this angle is also 72 degree, right? This angle is also 72 degree, 72 degree, right? Now if we add this angle, that is 98 plus 72, what do you get? 98 degree, that is what you're getting, 98 degree, 98 degree plus 72 degree plus 72 degree. What are you getting? You see, that is 98 degree plus 72 degree, 72 degree. 8 plus 2, 10, carry 1, it is 0. 9 was 10 plus 7, 17, 170 degree, 170 degree. Now you see, these are interior angles on the same side of the transversal N. Now since the sum of the angles on the same side of the transversal, same side of the transversal, since the sum of the angles on the same side of the transversal is not equal to 180 degree, therefore we can say that L is not parallel to M. L is not parallel to M. Not parallel to M. Again we are repeating here, you see, that is, since this is 72 degree, the vertical opposite angle is this angle. Therefore, this angle will also be 72 degree. If we add this angle, that is 98 plus 72, it becomes 170 degree. Now, since the sum of the angles on the same side of the transversal is not equal to 180 degree, therefore you can say that it is not parallel to M. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.